Hey guys, this is the Transformers. Today we're looking at Transformers Generations Air Raid. First of all, this looks nothing like Air Raid. I really like the figure. It looks nothing like Air Raid. This is just a retool of the Soundwave mold. I do not have that, but this is just a repaint. It's got a different, I guess, cockpit, which is also his chest, and different weapons, and that's about it. Of course, he's got a different paint job, but that's it. It's the same figure. We're gonna set this guy aside for right now, and we're gonna look at his box. This is one of the few ones I have in the box. Follow Cybertron Air Raid. There's a picture of him. Transformers Generations Air Raid. I'm going to quickly read the bio for you. Not even the long war for Cybertron has robbed Air Raid of the joy he takes in simply hovering around. He enjoys the scenery. He enjoys the scenery. He's a terrible gunner, distracted as he is by the natural beauty of the world around him, but makes up for it by filling the air with flak, making it impossible for enemy aircraft to advance. This is a pretty good thing. This is Cybertronian artillery mode. Sword combined to triple blade. And then that's his stats. Get him in the light a little bit. His strength is a 6. Intelligence is a 5. Speed is a 9. Endurance is a 9. Rank is a 5. Courage is an 8. Fire blast is a 9. And skill is a 3. So that's a quick look at his packaging. Now let's get on to the figure. Like I said, this looks nothing like Air Raid. I mean, it's nice looking and everything, but honestly, it's just a retool. There's one of the accessories. His sword. I really like this sword. Very, very nice. Well, 360. What I like to do, just to make him different than Soundwave, even though I don't have him, is I take his wings and I point him backwards like that, just to give him more of an airplane or plane type look to him, and just to differ him from Soundwave. But overall, he's a really nice vehicle mode. Alright, I'm gonna try to show you how to transform him with one hand, but ready? So first, you're gonna lift this up. His head's right in here. Then you're gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this or not, but untap his legs. There you go. Take this little piece out of his crotch. This is his other accessory. It's a blade arm thing. It's really nice. Just gonna straighten his feet out real quick. Take those, you take these flaps up here, you fold them down, and they're going to peg right in. Like so. And do that with the other leg. Peg them in like so. So I'm going to get them standing so it's easier for me. You take his arms, you're going to untab them. untap his shoulders. There we go. You're gonna fold that. Oop, it's falling down on me. Sorry, I'm using one hand for this, but I have to hold my camera. Bring that down like so. You can bring this down, and you're gonna plug it in. That pops his head up. Then you're gonna take his arm, his shoulders, and there's a little tab right on the end of his shoulder pad that just plugs in. Do that with the other one. Just plug it in. I'm gonna get him in the standing position. You're gonna bring his shoulders, rotate his shoulders. Take his shoulders and rotate them. Bring his arms down. Oop, I'm just gonna sit him down for this part, I guess. Rotate his arms. Bring his arms down. Arms down. And then you're gonna just pull his hands out. They're a little tricky to get out because they're so deep in there. Pull his hands out. This is tricky to do with one hand. Doing the best I can. Sorry, guys. Fold his hand out. Let's get him back into a standing position. Cool little pose here, I guess. Let's have him holding his sword. See? There, we got him in a cool little pose. So this, you can take it, you fold his hand back in. There's a little tab right in there. There's a tab right here on the inside of that. See, you can kind of see it. You gotta take it, plug it right in. And yeah, that's kind of ridiculous. And I think so too. So I usually just, oop, there we go. So he's falling down on me again. Fix his feet. I usually just take this, I make it a double-barreled gun. And plug it in like that. There's, got a double-barreled gun and a sword. That's usually how I have him posed. Very nice detail on this guy. He's got a very nice Autobot symbol. Really like the head sculpt. It still does not look anything like Air Raid. Nothing like Air Raid. He looks more like a G1 character. I'm trying to think of what his name is. Very nice. I'm gonna set him right off here. Take his sword. I'm gonna show you the little triple blade thing. Take this. The sword splits apart. So you take it, you split it apart like so. You take this, it's a little plug, it's a little plug right there. Take it and plug it in. There you have his triple bladed sword. Nice looking. Way too big for him. It is pretty much his size. But what I like to do is I like to, if he actually uses it, or if anyone uses this, I might give it to Grimlock. And I usually just have it folded up like this. And I usually just give this to Grimlock to hold. It's another sword. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see if I have Grimlock someplace. Stop motion set. Let's see if I have Grimlock somewhere. There he is. Bam. So, Grimlock. Take that. You know, just slide it right into Grimlock's hand. And there you have a dual-wielding Grimlock. I think that looks really cool in Grimlock's hand. But, there you have it, guys. This is the Transformer Wiz. See you next time. Rate, comment, subscribe. That little eBay thing I was telling you about in the last video, it ends today, or no, I'm sorry, it ends tomorrow, which is Sunday, so I don't know, hope I win, but if I do, I might have a bunch more stuff to review. Loads of stuff. Some stuff will be just junk. I'll probably do an unboxing video, but maybe I'll give away some stuff in a contest, maybe. But till next time, rate, comment, subscribe. It's been the Transformer Wiz. Over and out.